Hi everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to make this beautiful stitch. It's very easy to make. 4 row repeats, but 2 rows are same, and these are really easy to make. So if you're a beginner, I recommend you to try this. I'm gonna make a beginner friendly tutorial and explain it slowly. For this, I'm gonna use a category 4 yarn and 5.5 millimeter hook. You can use any kind of yarn you choose and recommended hook. And if you made anything with it, you can use it for the blankets, scarves, and cardigans. You can share it with me. I would be more than happy if you share it with me. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address, or you can leave a comments. Um, I'm very curious about where are you watching me. You can leave a comment like this too. You know I'm from Turkey, Bodrum, but I don't know where are you from. I like to learn it. And if you are ready, we can start now. Start with a slip knot. For this stitch, we will need multiples of 3. I made 15 chains. Now yarn over, skip this first chain, insert into the next, grab the yarn, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through all. That's a half double crochet, and we are gonna put 1 half double crochet into each stitch, each chain. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn over, pull through all. That's the last one. Chain 1, turn. For the row 2, we are gonna make half doubles again, but we will use the back loops. You see this V? That's the front loop, this one, and that's the back loop. We are gonna use back loops. Don't count the chain, of course. Starting from this first one, make back loop only half double crochets. That's the last one. Don't miss this, okay? Chain 1, turn. Now we are gonna start to make a kind of shell stitch for the next 2 rows. Okay, yarn over. Into this first stitch we will insert into the stitch, okay, not only back loop. Make a half double crochet. Now skip 1 stitch into the next, put a single crochet without yarning over, insert, grab the yarn, yarn over, pull through 2, then chain 2, and into this same place put 1 more single crochet. That's our shell or single crochet V stitch. Skip 2, insert into the next, put a single, chain 2, 1 more single. Skip 2 into the next, a single, chain 2, a single. Skip 2 into the next, make 1 more, and you will keep making this till the end. And in the end you will have 2 stitches. You are gonna skip 1, okay? While we are starting we skipped 1, if you remember. Skip 1 into this last stitch, put a half double crochet. We started with a half double crochet, skip 1, then make a single, 2 chain single, keep making this. At the end we made the last one, skip 1 and put a half double crochet. Now for the row 4 we will start with 3 chains. Turn. Count these 3 chains as a double crochet. Okay? And into this 2 chain space here we are gonna put 3 double crochets. Yarn over, insert, grab the yarn. 3 loops on the hook. This time pull through 2, pull through 2. Pull through 2, pull through 2. We made 2 and 3. Yarn over and directly insert into this next 2 chain space here and put 3 double crochets. 1, 2, into this next we are gonna put 3 double crochets. Into the next put 3. Keep repeating this till the end, and in the end you will have 1 last stitch here, put a double crochet here. Chain 1, turn, and we are at the first row. We made half double crochets for 2 rows, if you remember. We are gonna repeat this. We are gonna make 2 rows with back loop only half double crochets. Don't miss this one. Okay, this chain. Insert from the back loop, put a half double crochet, chain one, and again you are gonna make back loop only half double crochets. For the next row you are gonna make this single crochet V-stitch. For the next you are gonna make shells, and in the end I completed with 2 rows with half double crochets. And that's all. Hope you like this tutorial. If you like, please thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Sirin's Crochet is my Instagram address. It's also my website, Etsy, Ravelry, Pinterest. You can find me anywhere you want. That's it for today. Hope to see you again. Have a nice day. Bye.